Hey guys, thank you for sticking around, and welcome to part two of the YGoPRo DevPro sound tutorial. Like I said, we left off. I was going through the list of the music that I use, but I will show you now. For the most part, the regular sounds that come up in duels uh, is pretty simple to use. But what I want to educate you guys on this time is how to change different sound effects. Um, Now, because they're .wav files, you can actually go into the sound recorder on your computer. I don't know what it is for Mac, but you can actually go into your sound recorder in your computer and under programs and actually record a sound that will be used or that you can use for a particular sound effect. Now, for all intents and purposes, I'm just going to record something. So let's see, activate, attack, coin flip, draw. Okay, we're going to take draw and we're going to just say draw and the sound, we're going to say it's my turn, I draw in the sound recorder, and then we're going to add that to the draw and make draw one parentheses. Okay, so here we go. It's my turn. I draw. So now it's gonna stop. We're gonna stop it there. That's 3 seconds. Your wave files can be, I believe, as long as you want them to, but I mean, you're playing a game of Yu-Gi-Oh, so you want them to be somewhat short, at least 5 seconds. Um, unless you're like spamming crazy shit, because then but you'll keep hearing the same sound effects constantly. So we're just gonna call this draw parentheses one, and we're gonna save it to the desktop because it's easier to find it there. We're going to minimize DevPro. We're going to actually cut off the sound recorder, minimize my other folders. We're going to find the draw file, and we're going to drag it into the sound file of YGoPRo and DevPro. Now, the cool thing, like I said about uh, DevPro, is they already have a user-friendly menu for you to use. There's already a user-friendly menu that you can use to just add the sounds here. And the cool thing is when you click add, it's already in your Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro DevPro folder. So I'm just going to open that up, click sound, and then I'm going to actually change it here into draw 2. It's not showing up though. So they changed that. Okay, maybe I'm the one that should have changed it. We're going to go back into the sound recorder, or actually, I'm going to convert this. So, if you have a sound record changer, uh, it would be wise to use one. But my mistake, I was supposed to change it to .wav format, but you can use any encoder to just change it. And I'm actually going to convert this now to WAV file format, and it should end up in my folder that I used. So to refresh this box. Oh, where did it go? Well, it went somewhere. Where did it go? Okay. So I see where it went. Okay, it went to the wrong spot. It went to my Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro World Championship. I knew I should have checked that. So this is the new WAV file. As you can see, I'm going to drag it over into the DevPro folder. I'm going to delete the Windows Media Audio version that I made here because it's not the format that is recognized. We're gonna go back into DevPro. We're gonna refresh this thing, and now it shows up. We're gonna open up. We're gonna open that up, and process it. And now you're going to see where it says draw number one here. Like I said, only DevPro does this type of menu. YGoPRo does not do it, and if you did it to YGoPRo, you'd have to make sure you definitely back up everything, because in DevPro you can just pull directly from a different source. So we're going to actually click play here. That's not implemented yet. Um, so what's going to happen now is you're going to go into the DevPro folder, and because this is not an MP3, you can't just pull from any location and install. You're going to change this to draw number two, and then change draw number one to draw. Now, time to show you an example. We're going to go into the chat, do a devbot really quick, and my sound effects are working perfectly. I'm going to use my Egyptian God deck. Now, here's the thing, sound effects will work on both players' turns, which is why if you can find something from the anime, it might be better than your own voice. But here we go. Exactly. So, as you just heard, all of the sounds just went off, and so yeah, you're definitely going to want to, like I said, make them smaller. Every time someone draws a card, it makes that sound. But like I said, it was just an example. And ooh, actually, this is pretty good. I'm just gonna show off. So we're going to actually show off really fast. Let's do this. It's a good hand, actually. Now that's enough for the draw sounds. Now we're going to go actually into the customize folder again one more time. We're going to go to regular sounds, or music. Now, the thing about this folder is that it does not give you everything. There is more music than just this that you should be able to add, but there is a problem with the way DevPro reads it. So, internet connection is required. I have internet. Nonsense. Anyways, we're gonna log on. You have to excuse me. I'm at my school's internet, and it's kind of sucks balls. Well, fuck it. We're gonna go to the we're just gonna go to the folder. How about that? Okay, so we're gonna go to the folder, and like I said, different games have different music. Uh, in my case, I like I like the Russia for Beginning music that they used, and so what we're gonna do here is we're going to look for certain files. Now, if they're MP4, like I said, you're gonna need a converter. You're gonna want to change it to something else. Um, you're going to want to make sure that you get the right song, and then you're just gonna open it in your converter. Now, mine is under my program files under Switch, which is free software. It definitely lets you do what you need to do. Um, we're going to go to music, video game music. We're going to go to Retro of Destruction, and we're going to pick Important Duel. We're going to change it to MP3, and we're going to convert that. Now it keeps sending stuff to this folder, so I'm going to cut this for now, and I'm going to go back to that folder with our sounds. We're just going to paste it in there. Now we want to change this to our song. So what you have to do is you have to, if you want to keep songs in the right spot, you need to give them a parentheses or an appendage so that they can be used. And you're going to probably want to copy this and paste this into its title instead of its name because you're going to forget what it is. They're usually the thing here. There we go. So we're going to make that song. We're going to close this. We're going to close this. We're going to go. My internet's still not back on because of this bitch ass internet. We're going to go offline. Um, and we're actually going to go to puzzle mode. Now, we can pick any puzzle. So we'll pick this one just to show you the music. And I have my music disabled for a reason because I usually play other music sometimes, but pretty much that is the music. And the draws are still the same. This is actually a puzzle I tried doing earlier that I messed up on, I believe. But yeah, so, and here goes the music from when you're at home on Mega Man Battle Network 6. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. There will be a better in-depth tutorial later on down the line because, as I said, while you can use your voice or a sound clip from, um, you know, the internet, YouTube, uh, all of your sound effects will count for the opponents. That's something that they haven't fixed up yet in DevPro, and I'm hoping that with more programming they'll be able to separate the two. Um, but yeah, give me a comment, give me a rate, share it if you think it's, I guess, informative. Because I know that there are better videos. I just know that this video is particularly asked for, and I'm just getting to it, so I figured I might as well let it go ham. So, thank you for watching, and yeah, peace.